last year we did a complete redesign of our old bathroom. This year it was time for the kitchen, which was an even bigger challenge.
Someone wants to give us a free wooden floor.
These wooden floor are dangerous, I'm telling you. Welcome back to Joscha and Lenas Kitchen Makeover. Yeah, that was better than last time. At the end of the last week's video, we wondered whether we would in fact continue our plan to make this kitchen into another kitchen, or if we would instead turn it into our bedroom. But of course, we could not do that because we had a big vision with this kitchen and we need to fulfill that. So as you know, we painted the walls this classy blue that you can partially see behind me. Well, that's more of the light color. I'm talking about this one over here, which I think looks very sophisticated. But when we were planning this, we already knew that it would not go well together with the greenish color of the cupboards. And that was a problem because Uta did not want us to paint those cupboards, and it would have been way too expensive to buy new ones. So we found a rather unorthodox solution. It's a blue foil that we are just going to put over all the cabinet doors, just like if it were a wallpaper, and then they're going to be this nice blue fitting with the wall. That was fast. Now that's good, that's good. The French door.
Wow.
Oh yes, there's a cat.
Mika.
Mika, 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 Mika. Yeah, it's not easy for a cat to live with us. But of course, these room makeovers also come with certain advantages for cats. Well, that's a long ass box for you, Minka, isn't it? So soft. And now the manual specifically says that we need a hairdryer to get the foil around the corner. Let's heat it up. Here we go. First door handle done. You might remember from the first episode that before we had this huge old squared table, and that one was just absolutely not working with the small size of this room. Even though it had 4 sides, only 2 people could sit at it. So we needed something different. The table has arrived and the guy hardly made it past our tree. The male guy threw off some Easter eggs from the tree. That's not very friendly. Wow! I think that's the biggest package I've ever gotten in the mail. What a huge table! Oh! You can use it as a surfboard. Oh, the wave is coming! The wave is coming! Get ready! I'm the king of the waves! What? For just 60 bucks. That's a really cool cable.
Cable?
Table. For cable it will be quite expensive. The new table is in the house. So we bought this long and slim table, which leaves us with a lot more space to walk around here and even here. And it fits up to 5 people. The only thing that is still a bit awkward with this table is that we have the escaping hole here where the old trash can used to be. And we can't just keep it like that, because in order to throw something in the trash, you would have to reach down here, awkwardly open the hatch, and that is just not very comfortable at all. So I had to construct a little bit of something in the workshop. A wise man once said, before you can make trash, you have to make a trash can. And in order to make that trash can, we got this. Oh, hold on. I'm a horrible pole dancer. Now, in order to take the exact measurements, we need to steal the existing bin that is still in use without Uta noticing it. So let's engage the spy mode. There it is. Mission accomplished. Yeah, that's how it should be, more or less. It took a lot of adjustments for this to work, but check it out. It fits perfectly. Check this out. Ta-da! And voila!
Oh, sir, what do you get there?
I got some delicious milk, but now it is empty. What do I do? Oh, I know. I throw it at my girlfriend. She will handle it. No, I have a better idea actually.
Well, even better.
Yes. I open this hatch here. I just throw it through there. Wow, I love it.
Wow.
So nice. Always goes that way. It knows automatically that it's not paper.
Very good.
I am very satisfied with this custom build rubbish bin. But of course we couldn't build every piece of furniture by hand. So we turned to our old trusty friend IKEA. Unfortunately it was still closed at the time because of the second lockdown. So we thought we'd just order it online. But when we went to the checkout of IKEA, we got surprised with this.
Mama, what are we doing?
Drive in IKEA.
But we can't go in. We just go in there to collect our stuff. Because the IKEA guys, they want 40 euros from us just for the shipping costs. We don't even have any bulky items or something like that.
Yeah, IKEA, we still love you, but you need to change. This is not a good way to treat our relationship.
Uta, you can't see what we're buying.
No. I'm no.
Okay. There we go. Don't look, Uta. Don't look. Lena, what is your work right now?
Building the N head.
Is it fun? It's from IKEA, that means it's easy to assemble. Yeah, that was probably not the easiest thing to assemble. But it wasn't all the fault of IKEA.
Minka, I need to read that. Okay, so this is our N head. It's a very small kitchen, so we need some storage space. And it's gonna go over here, like so.
Great! So you might think we only need to screw that to the wall, and that is technically true. But if you've watched our bathroom makeover, you might remember that we are terrible at screwing things into the wall. And since the completion of that room, 2 of the 3 things that we screwed to the wall have already broken down, and on top of that, this time the stakes are a lot higher. So we needed to go back to screwing school. And yeah, that's not an actual thing.
Zuerst wird ein Loch in die Wand gebohrt, der Dübel hineingesteckt und die Schraube hineingedreht.
I knew we were doing something wrong when we were doing the bathroom. I just didn't know what.
Prüfen Sie vor dem Bohren unbedingt, ob sich Wasser- oder elektrische Leitungen in der Wand befinden. Am einfachsten geht dies mit einem digitalen Ortungsgerät.
Oh yeah, we also bought this thing.
Okay, so we bought this. It detects metal and power lines. So you know when you drill into a wall that you don't hit power line.
Yeah.
Let's do a test, okay? No. Clear, green.
Yeah.
Or good. So apparently we can pull anywhere.
Well, that's great. According to this device, the whole wall was made just out of metal, power lines and water pipes. So the question was, is putting up a cupboard worth the risk of possibly hitting a power line and exploding the whole house? Well, find out next week when it's time again for Joscha and Lenas kitchen makeover. Oh my god. Or if you're watching this from the future, it would already be linked here. And if you're seeing a different video, then I'm sorry. No.